你好 everyone, welcome to 奇美 Mandarin. 2 weeks ago, there was a student asked me what's the difference between 这是 and 这个. So today, let's look at them together. Let's see first one. 这是, 这, as you know, 这 means this, and 是 means am is are. So 这是 means this is. Usually you use it to introduce a person to another person, or you use it to tell people what's this. Let's see some examples. 这是墨镜，这是墨镜。So 墨镜 means sunglasses. This is a sunglasses. Another one. 这是钱包，钱包 means wallet. So this sentence means this is a wallet. And also you can use to introduce a person to another person. Let's look at this sentence. 这是齐美. So 齐美 is my Chinese name. So 这是齐美 means this is 齐美. And in this situation, and this sentence can be finished after you say a name or the name of an object. So the sentence can be finished. And let's look at 这个. So 这个 这 means this. 个 as you know, 个 is the most common measure words. And here 这个 just means this. And you use it to talk about a specific thing or a person. For example, you say 这个人人 is what? 人 means people. Right, person. So 这个人 means this person, or 这个钱包 means this wallet. So you are talking about a specific thing. And as here, let's look at the sentence. 这个人是齐美. So when you say 这个人 means this person, but the sentence is not finished yet. So you probably have to add some more descriptions after 这个人, like to tell like, oh, this person is 齐美, or this person is Vivian. So 这个人是齐美, this person is 齐美. Then now the sentence can be finished, right? Or you can say another sentence is 这个钱包, 这个钱包 this wallet 是我的, this wallet is mine. Now the sentence can be finished, right? Okay, so this is the difference between these two. Hope this can help you understand better the difference between 这是 and 这个. If you have any questions, please email me. Or if you have any questions, then you can email me or leave a comment under my video on YouTube or Facebook page. 奇美 Mandarin, then I will try my best to make a video to share with everyone. So thank you. See you next week. 再见.